If you're planning to start a business in West Virginia, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in West Virginia even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in West Virginia? For one, you have liability protection. That means your personal savings like home and other assets are generally protected if your business faces any troubles, giving you real peace of mind as you grow your company. And of course, you have a flexible taxation. You have the option to elect an S Corp or C Corp tax treatment if it better fits your financial strategy. And then there is going to be the option for being cost effective. For startups and small businesses, keeping overhead low can make a huge difference. And finally, West Virginia offers a business-friendly environment. It actively supports local business growth and innovation, making it easier to start and manage your LLC. Now, first things first, we need to choose a name for your West Virginia LLC. So remember, your name must be unique in West Virginia. It should include LLC, L.L.C. and Limited Liability Company. Avoid using names like bank, insurance, government, hospital, university, or any names that are misleading, offensive, or could imply government affiliation without prior approval. For example, if you have a specific business name in mind that you wanted to use, all you have to do is go to the West Virginia Secretary of State website, type in your desired business name. Now, for example, there is no matching results. That means the name is available and good to go. You can also consider reserving that name for 120 days with a $15 fee if you aren't filing immediately. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next, we move on to choosing a registered agent. Now, this is a mandatory requirement for every LLC in West Virginia because the registered agent must have a physical address in the state. P.O. boxes is not allowed, all right? You have two options here. You can choose yourself as a registered agent provided that you meet all the state legal requirements, but we highly suggest is to hire a formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. There are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, which has a processing times of few business days. And of course, what we highly suggest is to file it online. Because if you do, it typically takes like 5 to 10 days. And there is going to be an expedited options, which is available for an additional fee, reducing processing to 1 to 24 hours, which is super fast, right? Now, the standard fee is $100. Veterans and entrepreneurs age 18 to 29 are eligible for a fee waiver, making it even more accessible. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the West Virginia Secretary of State. You can file it online, submit all the necessary requirements. Once you've done that, you're good to go. Let's talk about registering your business with the West Virginia State Tax Department. To stay compliant with the state tax regulation, your LLC needs a business registration certificate. Okay, so their certificate shows that your business is properly registered and following all the state tax rules. You have two ways that you can do this. You can either file online for convenience or submit a form boss app for each other business locations or business names. Because once you get your certificate, it's permanent, all right? So that means it stay valid unless your business undergoes major changes. With that being said, getting the certificate is a key to keep your LLC in good standing with the West Virginia state. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Even though West Virginia doesn't legally require to create an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because an operating agreement helps prevent future disputes by clearly outlining things like management responsibilities, ownership percentage, and how the business operates day to day. And of course, it's fully customizable whether your LLC has just one member or several. This agreement lets you define exactly how your business will be managed and governed in real time. When starting your LLC, it's important to keep in mind some additional costs and considerations beyond the initial formation because it will help you plan ahead and avoid surprises as you grow your business. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including West Virginia. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in West Virginia, which is a smart, cost-effective choice for many entrepreneurs. And while the process may seem detailed, each step exists to protect your business, your assets, and your future growth. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.